Think that nobody ever asked where I'm not chosen. The Mr. Gun. What's going on? It's your boy K Dizzy, and I'm getting right to the point, man. It's 2026, and you want to learn how to trade. This is the video for you. I'm a day trader. I trade Forex, and I'm going to show you all the platforms, all the things that I use to be able to succeed in trading and help my students trade, and same with you. So first things first, in the description, you'll have a registered link to a Forex broker called Genesis FX. It looks like this. You can see the dashboard. You can deposit up here. You can withdraw up here. You can transfer money from different accounts up here. Your profile's right here. This is where you have to verify, so you can withdraw and do different things. Wallet, so you can just see your wallet, which is also on top right. You know, you can see transfer, deposit, withdrawals, credit. You can see all the times that you've deposited. You can make a new account like this, either a live or demo account. So right away, you could be making a demo account. So as you can see down here, once you make your account, if you go to your email, you'll find all your details. Make a name for it. This is the server that you put in. Leverage. The best thing is you can put all the way to 1 to 500, so you can risk more of the capital that you have, and there's not as high of a limit or as strict of a limit to trade your capital. Right here, you can also trade on the platform Trade Locker, Windows download, Mac download. It's on the iOS App Store, and it's also on the Google Play Store. So if you want to access your trading platform on a different platform, these are all the platforms, you know, that you can trade on. Also, there's a 10x challenge, which is basically funded. This is a prop firm type of account, and simply put, you create an account, right? And say you had $125. Well, you'll get access to $1,250 and be able to trade up to 1.2K. Same with $250, you'll get $2,500 to trade off of. The only rule is 10%. If you go to the rules, you can actually see more of the rules. But as you can see, don't lose more than 10% of your starting balance. Right? That's the only thing. And you have to trade at least 5 days minimum, and you get a withdrawal. So I've been using this. I've got a couple payouts already. I've also been telling a lot of my students about this and helping my students get paid from a 10x challenge, like a prop firm, instead of having to maybe utilize their live funds all the time. And so it goes all the way down to $7,500, which you can get 75K in funded. Then you put your name, you agree, and then you create the account, right? There's also a thing called the PAM account. This is more for people that trade other people's capital and want to group it all into a account, and other people can see the trades that you're taking, the stats, the performance, all that good stuff. Like I said, you can deposit with cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and USDT. I've never done these. I only just do Bitcoin. It's super easy. So withdrawing, you need to know when you make your profit how to get your money. So go to withdraw. You know, you select what network that you want to receive the money in. I do Bitcoin. The amount. So this is the wallet. So right now I only have $21 in here. Probably like some extra from something. You can just click max and it'll already put the amount, and then you put your Bitcoin address in here. It takes a little fee right here, and then you request a withdraw, and then soon it'll go to your bank or your to your Cash App or wherever platform that you're using this from. And then lastly, transfer. So if you have an account, 2 different live accounts, then you can transfer money from one live account to another, etc. You know what I mean? So it's all in one source for trading, and it's the best platform to start your trading journey and to finally find a home. Most people take forever to find a broker, and this one right here is amazing. I have no complaints, no issues. It's very smooth and no complaints. Now I'm gonna show how to use the platform a little bit. I'm gonna go on a demo account and show you how to use the platform. And yeah, so right away, as you can see, it tells you when the markets are open and closed right here, right? Really nice. We got the indicators. This looks like tradingview.com. If you don't know what TradingView is, it's probably one of the top platforms with trading information and looking at charts and things like that. All the currencies and pairs and stocks and stuff, all the data is on that website. So this is a software that looks like TradingView, but also you can place your trades in as well. So this is really nice. So if you look up here, the top left, you can see the time frames. To the left as well are the tools. You know, when you're marking up a chart and things like that, you can have your tools just like on TradingView. Right here is the lot size. So when you calculate how much money you're risking, you can calculate your lot size and change it up here, right? Because it's closed, these will be red and this will be green, should I say. So let's go to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is 24/7, crypto is 24/7. As you can see, this is also my favorites list right here. We got gold, Bitcoin, AUD, USD, NAS, and US30. If you unfavorite, you can see all the other pairs right now that are currently available on this broker, on this platform. And then down here, we have positions. So once you say you place a sell or buy, you will see your positions down here. You can see any pending orders. You can also see any positions that you placed in the past that you closed. Today I'm up, whoop, they refreshed. I'm up 800 basically. Balance, you can see all the different balance changes and stuff like that. I don't really look at much other than positions and closed positions, you know, because when I'm in a position I'll look, and when I close I want to see like what happened and things like that. Indicators, I only use one indicator. I don't even think it's in here last time I checked, so I don't have anything right here, but this is, if you have indicators, boom, put it here. Change your candles right here, just like TradingView, you know, very simple. If you go down here, you can switch to demo account, you can switch to different live accounts that you have, you know what I mean. I got a couple accounts right now, as you can see. But if you could switch to demo as well, all in one platform. So this is an all-in-one, very convenient software and platform that allows you to trade. That's very smooth, very quick. I love it. And yeah, but yeah guys, that was the end of the video. In my next video, I'm actually gonna teach you guys how to trade. I have a lot of different videos of me sharing my strategy, but I'm gonna give a whole 2026 new version of how to learn how to trade. But this is the best platform, the best Forex platform. And till next video, make sure I hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll be out.